Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert check marks in Excel. So guys, this video will be very short. So before you start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Guys, if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe me, I will motivate and will create good content for you. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see this is my Excel sheet. So here in this cell, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you to insert the check mark. Okay, so here just select the row or cell where you want to insert the check box or check mark, and go to the developer option. If you don't have developer option, just click anywhere and just click right button and click on customize ribbons. And here you can see the I have already add the developer options. So you, if you don't have developer option, just check on your left side. In left box you will find the developer option in this section, and just click on developer option, just click on add, then it will be add here, and just click on ok, that it will be appear here. Okay, so go to the developer option. In developer option you have to find controls, and in controls option you will find the insert. So you have to use form control, and active x control is a very deep, so it is ignore. Just go with the form controls and click on this checkbox or check mark, and now the your cursor will be converted in plus mark. And now you have to select the cell where you want to insert the check mark. So I'm selecting here, just double click it, and it delete the check marks text where it is appearing, just enter. So it is gone now, and now you have to click on control and just click on it. You have to press control first and click on it, and then it will be select, and just resize it as soon as you require. Okay, and just you can copy it, select the all cell and control D, it will be copy to everywhere. Okay, now you can just tick and it will be tick mark. If you want to delete it, just select, just right click on it and just click on cut, it will be deleted. Okay, so that is how you can insert check marks in Excel. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.